Hi guys, welcome to our channel IFELS. So today I'm going to explain my interview experience with MTX, and yeah, let's quickly get into the topics. And it's going to be 4 rounds. And first one, it will be MCQ online test, and second one is technical interview 1, and third one is technical interview 2, and finally HR interview. And in round one, it's gonna be in Hackerate platform, and the questions are like 67 multiple choice questions, and which consisting of aptitude programming, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, OOPS, OS, operating systems, Java, SQL, Salesforce, trees, etc. And there will be three programming questions, which are like easy to medium level, and yeah, it's actually medium level, and the test duration is 2 hours. And the round two is like face-to-face interview, technical interview for 35 minutes, and it will be varies depends upon the interviewer and interviewee. And the common question, first question is, tell me about yourself, and I told him about myself, and then he asked me about my recent project, and he asked me to run the project on my personal computer. So I have run that project, and he got pretty much impressed. And my project is about is like the tech stack of my project is Merge stack, and the project is customized t-shirt design. And then he asked me about some of the questions about my projects, and then he asked me about joins and types of joins and difference between them, and I explained pretty clear, and he got clarity about it. And then he asked me to write a join query in MongoDB based on my project. Then he asked me about async and await in React, and what's the difference between the callbacks and this async and await. And and then he quickly got into the question called synchronous and asynchronous of React nature. And then he also asked me about questions about my project, which I have put on my resume. And then I have forwarded to third round, and it's also a face-to-face technical interview in Zoom, and it is for 35 minutes. And the first common question is, tell me about yourself. And I told him about myself pretty much clear, and he got pretty much impressed with my GPA and my responsibilities in my college and clubs. And he asked me about my recent project, and he got like a couple of questions on JavaScript questions, like what is promise in JavaScript, and how will you use map in JavaScript, and what will be the difference between JavaScript and Node.js. And he also asked me about synchronous and asynchronous. And he also asked me about DBMS concepts like normalization and etc. And also pretty much topics discussed on my resume. He also asked a coding question like number of nodes. How will you calculate the number of nodes of a tree, and then etc. And then I have got into the next round, and the final interview will be HR round, and it is also on Zoom call, and it's for 20 minutes. And again, the first common question is, tell me about yourself. And then she asked me about MTX, and what do you know about MTX, and what are my hobbies. And then the situation question, she gave me a situation question called like, if a server is down, what will you do? Like, if you know the team member who will be able to solve the problem if it's not available at the time. And I told that I will be explaining the problem to my manager, and I suggest a solution, and also I'll try to do my best to solve the problem, and etc. And I got some pretty much examples of the same situation. And then she asked me about any questions for her. And then I have asked a couple of questions like when will be the results, etc. And then finally the results, and finally I got selected into MTX. and I'm the only one who got selected. And coming to programming tips, please practice Geeks for Geeks, HackerRank, and solve as much problems as you can. And also, please do competitive coding also, so that you can so that you can know how to manage time in exams and all, etc. And thank you. Please subscribe, and if you got any doubts, please contact through mail or Instagram. Thank you.